In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gumloop to Slack 2025 tutorial. We'll walk through setting up a workflow in Gumloop, linking your Slack workspace, configuring the message, choosing when it should send, and testing everything so your alerts arrive exactly where you expect. Start by logging into Gumloop, create a new workflow or open one you've already built and give it a clear name that reflects the goal, like Website Monitor, Slack Alert. Clear names make it easy to find and debug later, especially if your team builds several automations. Next, add Slack to the workflow. Click Add Step, then choose Slack under Messaging or Notifications. You'll see available actions such as send channel message for posts to a public or private channel, send direct message for one-to-one updates, and sometimes post thread reply if you want to continue an existing conversation. Pick the one that matches how your team prefers to receive updates. If you haven't connected Slack yet, select Connect Slack. You'll be redirected to Slack, choose the correct workspace, review the permissions Gumloop needs to post on your behalf, and click Allow. After authorization, you'll see that Gumloop is connected to Slack and you can proceed. Tip: make sure you have permission to install apps in that workspace or ask an admin to approve it. Now configure the Slack message, choose the channel or recipient, write the message text, and optionally set a custom username or emoji icon so alerts are easy to spot. You can include variables from earlier steps to make messages dynamic. For example, new update detected, website / site a name, status/status, time/timestamp. Dynamic fields help teammates understand what changed without opening Gumloop. Decide when the message should send by selecting the appropriate trigger inside your workflow. Common patterns include sending after a website, action completes, when an error occurs, when new data is found, after a form is submitted, or on a scheduled check like a cron run. For instance, if a price changes, send a Slack alert so your team can respond quickly. Keep notifications focused to avoid channel noise. Finally, test the connection. Click Run Test, then switch to Slack and confirm the message arrives in the chosen channel or direct message. If it doesn't appear, double-check the selected workspace, channel permissions, and any variables you used. When the test looks right, you're all set. Your Gumloop workflow can now post reliable updates to Slack whenever your conditions are met.